Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel friends. Today guys we are going to talk about how to check hotspot password in our Infinix phone. Guys, you want to check guys your password in your Infinix phone, so as you can check. So in this video friends, I will show you guys how can you check your hotspot password. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon, like my video. So then first of all open your phone setting to check your hotspot password. So once you can see guys your hotspot setting, guys tap here, guys click on Wi-Fi hotspot and guys click on again hotspot setting. So once you can see your hotspot password, guys tap here and guys you can see my password 151198171778. So guys you want to change this password, you can change from here. You want to rename this password, you can rename. So like that guys, you can check your hotspot password in your Infinix phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video friends. We will meet on next video with new topic. Before going, please go and like the video, subscribe the channel. Bye bye friends, thanks for watching, bye.